Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make a very easy appetizer today, some bell pepper poppers. I'm going to use Amoretti's paprika oil extract and the garlic oil extract. So let's get started. All right, so I'm just putting some oil in here and I'm going to saute some of these onions just for a few minutes till they get translucent, and then we'll add the turkey. Okay, so I'm going to add the turkey. So while this is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the peppers. Just going to cut them. And cut them in half. Clean out the insides. And I've scrunched up the foil here because these little peppers will fall over if they're not secured. All right, so this is getting nice and cooked. We're almost ready to add the tomatoes and all the spices. You want this to be fully cooked first. So break up the turkey. It's almost done. Make it really small. Now we'll add the tomatoes. We have a little bit of parsley here, fresh parsley. This is our paprika oil. And the garlic oil. And some cumin. Now, so this should cook until some of this liquid is evaporated, probably 5 or 6 minutes. We'll add some salt and pepper. Okay, we're just going to let this cook down a little bit. All right, so this is cooked and it's cooked down. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. This will cool it off a little faster than sitting in the pan. And then I'm going to add some sour cream and we'll stuff the peppers. All right, so let's just stuff these. And then I'll top them with cheese and we'll bake them. So I'm just going to top these with some cheese. I have a 4-cheese blend here. You can use any kind of cheese that you like, but it's really good with a 4-cheese blend. So put a little on there, and then we're going to bake them for about 10 minutes in a 350 oven. Okay, let's go bake these. All right, so these are ready to go. They're not too hot, they're just warm. You can see that the cheese is melted. And we're going to place them on some of this beautiful baby lettuce, which just adds and makes it look so pretty. All right. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. We want to keep you updated on all of our discounts, our promos, and of course our recipes. See you next time.